Hi, you're very welcome. And in this section, what I'm going to look at is how we can use the Countifs function. All right. So here I've got a list of data, and let me see, control arrow down. So 9,800 records, and I want to see how many reference both the consumer and Aaron Bergman. So I do this by going up to formulas, and I'm going to use a thing called the Countifs insert function. And what I do is if I just type in Countifs here, and notice I always pick one with the S, and then I click go. So you don't want count if, you want count is, like with Sammy Snake, and then click OK. Right. So the first thing that comes up is the criteria range, and my first criteria range is going to be the segment, because that's what I have here. And what I want to count in segment is how many consumers I have. Right. And then I'm going to go down to criteria range 2, highlight my customer name, see how many in that, and I've clicked on this reference here, Aaron Bergman, and then I've got OK. I see now I have 6. Now, a way you can test this, okay, and if you want to just test this for yourself, is if I, for example, go here to my customer name, search for Aaron Bergman, I see I just have the 6 there in it. All right, I can see there, and if you look down here at the bottom, you can see I also have the 6. And then I'll just go up here to data, and then just clear, so I can see the whole thing again. There we go, that's back into it. Now, if I want to do with the dates, I click here again, I go to formulas, insert function. Countifs is there because I've just used it, click OK. And this time, because I'm using dates, if I want to kind of reference dates, I kind of basically have to say on or equal to the start date. There we go. There we go. I might just change that in a second. So I need to let me start here again. So I just go to insert function, Countifs again, and I just choose the order date function. So order date column, sorry. And what I'm looking for here is this one. And if you notice here, I've got greater than or equal to that particular date. And that's how you reference on or after a date when you're using this particular function. There is a way, which is in further video, where you don't have to type in the greater than or equal to in the cell, but for our purposes here, that's what we're going to do. And then because I want to reference the same one again, order date, click here, and just choose this one, and click OK. I've got 89. And again, you could just use your filters just to check that. And then for this one here, I've got this one. I go to my insert function, choose the Countifs again, and I'm looking for where the quantity, so I highlight the quantity column, is greater than 10. All right, see that one there? And I'm also looking for where the subcategory, again, so I highlight the subcategory. When you see the phrase range here, that normally means more than one cell. It means like a group of cells or a column, as I've selected here. And this one, chairs, and then I click OK. All right. And then what I could do then is just copy that down. All right. So this is where you'd use your Countifs function. In the next video in this blog post, you're going to see where I'm going to put in some ifs in the other ones, but let's see this will do with this one. Okay, mind yourself, take care, bye. See you in the next video.